Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. It shifts nice and smooth. Steering feels great. Brakes feel good. I got it in Sport Plus mode. Has a really good turning radius. All the purple ambient lighting in here looks awesome. It shifts really smooth, as you can tell I got on it there. What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and I'm going to do a quick visual condition report on this BMW X6 M50i. Starting with the front right wheel here, you do have some touch-up spots on the edge here, a little rock chip. You can see there's a ton of tread left here on these tires. Making our way down the fender, we do have a scuff right there, and you're gonna have your typical swirls from washing the paint. Otherwise, that fender looks nice. A couple minor scuffs, a few little rock impacts here on the side mirror. Here on the lower rocker, we do have a gash. We have a scuff right there. And then on the top of the door handle, you're gonna see some gashes and imperfections right there. Got a chip here on the edge. You're going to see some small scuffs down the side right there. Little fingernail scratches here and there. A couple scuffs on the edge. Here on this wheel, you can see some previous curb rash. It looks like it's been touched up. And right by the fuel door, you're going to see these scratches. They do catch my nail. And then here on the front end, of course, you're going to have some rock impacts and rock chips and a few scuffs. So I'll try to get close and notate some of them. You can see a chip here that has not been touched up. You're going to see a couple imperfections here in the paint. A few little impacts. See a couple rock chips here. Here on the front bumper edge, you're gonna see a scratch here. It's not as bad as it looks. It looks like that's some paint transfer. We do have a gash right there and there. Looks like it had some previous curb rash that was repaired. Got some rock chips on the side mirror, a couple here on the A-pillar. Here around the door handle, you're gonna see some fingernail scratches. A couple scuffs there. You have a few chips on the edge. And then you're gonna see some chips down here. A couple swirls in the paint there from just kind of getting in and out and everyday washing. a scuff right here. That's something kind of on the surface. A little scuff there. Overall, that wheel looks good. The quarter panel looks nice. See some scuffs right here. See a gash in the paint there. And then we have some scratches right there. The upper side looks nice. Spoiler looks good. Here on the lower section, we have a gash right there and right here. Here on the engine bay, looks really good, nice and clean. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. This door panel looks really good. I'm not seeing a bunch of scuffs and scratches all over it. It's very, very clean. Here on the kick plate, got a couple small imperfections. That bolster looks really nice. Same with that one. Overall, this seat is really clean. Now the steering wheel, you do have some wear right here and on the upper side. You're gonna see some minor cracking there. These buttons look good, that carbon's clean. 74,000 miles. This console looks great. Overall, this side of the car looks really good. Here on the back left door panel, you do have a gash right here in the leather, and then you have some scratches and gashes here on that lower section. The rest of that door panel looks good. Got the shades here. That trim looks nice. Overall, these back seats look really good. Here on this seat back, you do have a gash out of the leather there. Here on this door panel, we got a really small scuff right there. The rest of that handle looks great. The upper buttons look nice. Carbon looks really clean. Got a little imperfection right here, but the rest of that panel looks amazing. We have a scratch right there in the plastic. A couple scuffs here on the kick plate. Floor mats look good. Overall, the bolster on these edges look really nice. This carbon looks good. This side of the console's really clean. Upper side of the dash looks nice. Got the huge panoramic roof. This side of the vehicle is very clean. Then here on the back right door panel, you do have a gash right here. A little scuff there and a small scuff here. A small scratch right there. The rest of that panel looks good. Upper side looks nice. A few small scratches here on the kick plate. Floor mats look good. You can see the seat backs are nice and clean. That console looks good. Overall, these back seats look nice.